Hi guys, Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom. Do you wish your country could actually do some surveys? Now, if you want to give your views on something that you already use, this is the website for you. Okay, it's called iPod. Let me just go through it with you because this is quite exciting. You can actually download the mobile app. So if you're in the coffee shop waiting for your friend, if you're in the car waiting for the kids to come out of school or whatever, you can squeeze in a 5-minute survey while you're waiting for your friend, can't you? So this is an online and mobile community where you can speak your views into your phone. So all you need is a mobile phone with a speaker and you're away. You can either get paid in paper, iTunes App Store, or an Amazon gift card. So whichever you would like. So you download the smartphone app and it's available in these countries. The ones that are not usually included are the Philippines, Argentina, Nigeria, Thailand, Pakistan, India, South Africa, Kenya, and we've just got all these countries that will accept your view for something that you're already doing. Now, if you want to say hello, before I get onto the next website, I'd love you to tell me what country you're from, because I'm always on the lookout for new things to help you make money online. So if it's not there, or even if it is there, I will be searching online to help you make some money. So the next website is Userlytics. Now, what's this one, you ask? This one is you test websites and apps. So big names actually want feedback from certain clientele of certain age groups. So L'Oreal, Philips, Google, American Airlines, Microsoft, all these want your views from wherever you live. Okay, so all you need is to log in as a tester, and then you speak out loud. So you're actually looking at the app, you're on your phone, and you go, I like it because actually that bit was a bit difficult. So it's the bit that's difficult, or you didn't quite like it, that they want, so they can improve it and smash the competition, because they're always like, if it's a new phone, that one's Apple's better than this one, iPhone and Samsung, and you know, if they can get it right, they're going to be the market leader. So we want people off the street like you and me, people at home, to actually give their views, and it's so easy because you just speak into your phone while you're testing it. It's really exciting. So that's active income. Active income, trade time for money, which is a job, just over broke. It's great as backup to do this, but if you want something more substantial like passive income, and you can earn money while you're doing something else, like fetching the children to school, sleeping, going to the beach, I'll put a link below, and I'll see you on the next video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you'll get informed whenever I put a video out that can help you make money online. So to your success, I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.